The Nuwave Brio Plus 7 quart comes with an owner's manual, a quick start guide, a recipe book, and a placement notice. Once you've taken the device out of the box, remove the plastic wrap, the cover over the plug, and the strips of tape. Next, pull the base tray out from the power base and remove the paper wrap from around the air circulation riser. Gently place the air circulation riser back into the base tray. Remove the plastic sheet in the power base, and then insert the base tray back into the power base for complete assembly. Remember, it is perfectly normal for your new unit to produce a heated plastic smell when used for the first time. This will go away after the first few uses. Enjoy the Brio Plus 7 quart.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.